Begin assembling your Aurora Lightbox display by setting up the corners. There are 2 brackets per corner with numbered sections. Insert L brackets into the extrusions and then firmly screw the brackets into place with the included Allen wrench. Match up the corresponding side extrusion with the bottom extrusions with the correct numbers. Insert the side extrusions through the L brackets to connect the extrusions together. Make sure the screw holes in the extrusions line up with the screw holes of the L brackets and firmly screw the side extrusion to the L brackets with the Allen wrench. Do not fully tighten the screws at once. Tighten each screw partially until both can be fully tightened evenly. Plug the plastic clips together to connect the LED light strip at the bottom of the extrusion. Now match up the other side of the extrusion with the L brackets screwed in and connect them into the other side of the bottom extrusion. Screw the bottom L brackets into the bottom extrusion evenly, repeating the same process as the other lightbox screw and L bracket setup. Now assemble the rest of the top and bottom parts of the extrusion. After you've assembled the corners, insert the straight brackets into the first side of the extrusion and line it up with the screw holes. Use the other Allen wrench to tighten the screws going into the straight brackets. Once the brackets are evenly tightened to the extrusion, match up the corresponding numbered extrusions and slide the bracket through the open end, and use the screws to tighten the other extrusion together using the Allen wrench. Now, take the double-sided feet of the display and line up the screw holes of the outside of the extrusions with the ones on the feet. Insert and hand tighten the first 2 screws, and then insert the other 2 screws, and complete tightening with the Allen wrench. Once both feet are assembled, begin assembling the central support bar by placing the connecting bracket into the support bar. Connect them together, insert and tighten the screws to connect the support bar together. Place the center support bar into the channel of the frame, hold it up, and use the Allen wrench to expand the bracket in the support bar to secure it into place inside of the frame. Repeat the process with the additional center support bar if applicable. Now take your SEG fabric banner and push the silicone sewn edging into the open channels of the frame. Tuck the edges in from top to bottom, up and down the sides gently with your hands, and finish at the bottom left corner of the display where the nylon loop is. Plug in the power cord and let the LED lights showcase your message on the Aurora Lightbox. To disassemble your Aurora Lightbox display, gently remove the SEG fabric banner from the assembled lightbox by pulling it away from the channel. You could start by pulling from the nylon loop at the bottom left-hand corner of the display. Once the banner is removed, use the Allen wrench to untighten the extension of the support bar. Remove the support bar from the frame once the expansion bar is retracted, and then use the Allen wrench to remove the screws connecting the support bar together. Once the screws are removed, pull out the connecting straight bracket. Now use the Allen wrench to remove the screws connecting the feet to the display. Once you have removed the feet, unfasten the plastic light clip in the frame that connects the LED lights. Begin removing the horizontal extrusions from the support brackets, and then use the Allen wrench to unscrew the support brackets from inside the extrusions. Once the screws are removed, uninstall the L brackets from the extrusions. Carefully place all your hardware back into the shipping case that comes with the Aurora Lightbox display for complete and proper disassembly.